Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the C++ switch statement. Here, we want to make a program which will generate the feedback based on the grade of the student. So, if any person entering grade A, it should show the feedback excellent, and B very good, and good for C, and need improvement for the D grade. Okay, so we have already learned if else structure, which will help us to do this easily. But there is a little more easy way to do this by using C++ switch statement. So switch statement is more or less similar to if else structure, but switch statement is much better in some situations than if else. So here's a syntax for switch statement. So you'll be saying switch, then your expression or variable. Expression is a calculation. Variable, you know already, variable is a memory location. And you open the brace, and inside the brace you will be saying case value 1. Value 1 means the possible value this expression or variable can have. Then you write your statements, then you had a break. Okay, then you will repeat case value 2, the second possible value it can have, then statement, then break, and you can write case as many cases as you want in the case of switch. And finally you will be having a default section, so that section will be executed only if all the cases fails, then the default section will be executed. So for each case we will be having a break statement, because switch is not like if else. Switch, even if it find a match, it will keep checking for the other matches also. So whenever we have a match, we don't need to check for other matches. That's why we will have break statement for each case values. Correct? Okay. Now for the case value, not like if else, in switch statement case value is mainly targeting fixed value, not a varying value like if else structure. So if you want to check a varying value like greater than 10, that's a varying value, any value more than 10. So in that case much better is if else, but in the case of switch we will be focusing on a fixed value, case 10, like that. Okay, so now let's complete that example. So here is a switch statement for solving this program. So you can see here we have already read the grade, so we are saying switch grade, correct? And inside this one we are saying case A. That means if the grade is having the case A, we want to show excellent, then we break here. Then case B, then we want to say very good, then we break. Then case C, then we want to say good, and then we break. Then D we are not mentioning because the all other cases we want to say what need improvement. So let's try to compile and execute this one. So when I click this compile and execute button, it comes up and I'm giving A and it's saying excellent. So let me try one more input, maybe C. So I give C, it is saying good. Finally one more time I will try D, it says need improvement. So that is a switch statement in C++. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.